Shackman number 117 Adpel Corporation. Okay. Dump truck. Well, okay. Okay. Dump truck. Good. Good match. Good tender. She that the problem. Okay, get. To get no problem. Now explain good tender. Okay, this is my on the Shackman dump truck. Okay. Dump truck. Good explain. All right. It's the okay. Okay. Right problem. Okay. Right problem. Is the dump truck. Okay. Good tender. Okay. Is the dump truck. Okay. Okay. Right problem. Is the Adpel Corporation. Now. Is the okay. Now explain. Good. Good serious. Well. Heavy equipments. Now is the dump truck. Okay. Good tender. Adpel Corporation. Number 170. Good choice. Okay, good twice. Shackman. Okay. Right problem. Right problem. Okay. Is the dump truck. Okay. Good tender. Good explain. Okay. Now. First of all, is the dump truck. Okay. Dump truck. Shackman. Dump truck. Okay. Now explain. Good. Good thing. Right problem. Okay. Right problem. Okay. Okay. 5. Okay. Good tender. It's the dump truck. 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally and go.